In workshop 2, it's one of my favorite to teach. It's about optimization. We dive into a report together. Okay, in this particular workshop, you can expect to look at Excel with us. We'll be navigating between different targeting levers. We will make sure to review what targeting levers are. Okay, I have this really great acronym that we teach everybody in the reach and frequency course in all of our workshop. The acronym is campaigns, right? CAMPAIGNS, campaigns. C stands for creative ad format, A for audience data element, M for mechanics as the technology or device, P for placement above or below the fold, A the amount of time, think frequency and recency, I is for inventory, supply, media or site, G is for geo, N is for the number to start with, so think base bid and of course max bid. And S is the schedule of the day and hour. And so if you remember this acronym, which is, it might be a little bit complicated to hear it, but once you write it down, campaigns, which know that every single one of them represent an opportunity to make a change, an opportunity to optimize, an opportunity to use those to make a decision to adjust based on your main KPI, based on that goal. Okay, during that workshop number 2, I will walk you through an example of report. It's going to be super intensive, because it's going to be a lot of data. But the reality is, like, most of our campaign have a lot of data, so it should not be a surprise. Now, the good thing is that you will get recordings, so you can review at your own time. And then at the end of every single workshop, including workshop number 2, you'll also get to get the recording and ask questions, So you can definitely come in with your question, where I expect questions such as, I'm working for a retail media partner, retail media brand. Their goal is a CPA of X. The landing page looks like this and the message is that. How would you optimize if this is happening? Okay, so we will allow you to bring these type of scenarios so you can actually really maximize. And if you sign up for the gold the gold sign up versus the silver sign up, the gold allows you to have a one-on-one with myself or Aisha, who's co-hosting with me or co-instructing with me, and you also get to ask those type of questions on a one-on-one basis. Okay, so make sure you look into both of the option for silver and gold. Or there's also a custom option where, if let's say you're a director and you have maybe 2 or 3 juniors and you want to just bring this in-house, then you and I should talk, because we can definitely do something like that.